Hi and welcome to TCL. My name is David Copete. In today's video, I'll be going over this script. It is a pattern making algorithm. And what I do is I'll go over all of the steps here. And at the end, I show you how you can trim, where you can extract portion of the pattern, as well as adding some color like this. We can also change the number of subdivisions and create different intricate patterns that we can change just with those sliders. And then we can also change, let's say, the colors and the way that they display depending on their area. So here we can change the presets. And so I'll be going over all of these steps. If you want to download the script or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I have this available on my website, and I also have other tutorials and resources that can help you learn how to use parametric design. So hopefully you're excited to see how this is put together. If you're fairly new, this is going to be a good tutorial because I keep it pretty simple in the sense that we don't have a large script. We have a fairly simple amount of steps here, but you'll see actually how complex some of these patterns can get. All right, so now let's get into it and let me show you the process for creating this pattern. All right, first thing we'll bring in is going to be construct point. So we can use a parametric point and then be able to change the location. Next, we'll bring in a circle. So using the point, we'll plug into the plane here. Now let's change the radius. So I'll go here to 10. Next, we're going to subdivide this. So using a divide curve, we can take that circle and subdivide it evenly using this component, and then we can change the count. So I'll keep it simple here using real numbers. So I'll go between 1 less than 9. And so here we have a slider that we can change. We'll keep it here at 5. Also notice that when this subdivides a circle, it does not subdivide it by keeping it vertical. It actually starts the point here and then all the way around. I would actually want it to start here at the top. So those are things that we can adjust, but keep in mind, those things will affect the pattern and its orientation. So using these points, we're now going to connect them using a line segment.